right now.
Do you want this?
No, my hands aren't greasy.
Okay.
I'll feed you. Come on, open it up.
Ah.
Oh yeah, get that in there.
Huh?
Suck on it a little bit. Suck on it for daddy.
Bro.
Okay.
Nick, I like our subtle tension, but the moment you make it like too real, I'm uncomfortable. You know? I like when we like hold hands and it's normal. But like, the moment you like make it weird, it is weird.
So us holding hands is okay?
As long as you don't make it weird.
So as long as I don't say anything. So I can be sucking you off. As long as I don't say shit, it's fine?
Pretty much.
Don't look me in the eyes when you're sucking.
Bro.
God. All right, bye chat. See you on